Welcome to the 17th lecture of Digital Electronics. In this lecture, we will be dealing with bubbled gates. Okay. So first we will deal with the word bubbled. So we have bubbled OR gate, bubbled NOR gate, bubbled AND gate, and bubbled NAND gate. So coming into bubbled, what is the word meaning of bubbled? Okay. Basically, bubbled means for the operation of the gate, that means inputs are complemented and then given to the gate. For example, if it is a bubbled OR gate, gate is OR, but the inputs are bubbled. Inputs are bubbled or complemented. Okay. So we will go into details of that. Okay. So coming into bubbled OR gate. Bubbled OR gate. So here you are having an OR gate, and input A is complemented. That means it is noted. You will get A bar. Then B, again it is complemented, so you will get B bar. Okay. So what is output? Output S is equal to A bar or B bar. Okay. Now if I am drawing the truth table of this bubbled OR gate, or it will be like this. You are having inputs and outputs. Inputs are A and B, and output is X. So you are having 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 more. Now how will be the output? You have to take it as X is equal to A bar or B bar. Okay. So I will write here in other colors. Okay. So A bar is 1, B is 0, B bar is 1. 0 1 1 0. 1 means bar is 0. 0 means bar is 1. A bar is 1 is 0. Here also 1 becomes 0. Now we can write the output. Okay. What is X? 1 or 1? 1 or 1 is 1. 1 or 0 is 1. 0 or 1 is 1. 0 or 0 is 0. That is, it is equal to A bar or B bar. Now I will write one more column. That is AB, the whole bar. Okay. What is AB? 0.0. The whole bar is 1. 0.1 is 0. 0.1 is, right, I will use another color. Yeah. AB it is 1. Okay. Now 0.1 is 0. 0 bar is 1. 1.0. 1.0 is 0. 0 bar is 1. 1.1 is 1. That bar is 0. So here what we can write? H is equal to A bar or B bar. That is again equal to AB bar. What is AB bar? AB bar is basically a NAND gate. Therefore what we can say? Is that bubbled OR is equivalent to a NAND gate. So the bubbled OR gate we can draw in another way like this. We are having two bubbles at the input. We are having A as input here, B as input. So what is the output? S is equal to A bar or B bar. Hope you have understood the operation of bubbled OR gate. Now coming into bubbled NOR gate. Next one is bubbled NOR gate. Okay. So bubbled NOR gate means it is basically a NOR gate, but the input is bubbled. So A is going in, but it is complemented. So it is A bar. B, it is complemented. It becomes B bar. So what is the output? It is A bar or B bar the whole bar. Okay, that is x. Let it be. We'll form the further equation of a bar or b bar, the whole bar. Okay. So let me form the truth table first. The truth table. So you're having inputs as a and b, right? Inputs, outputs. Inputs are a and b, and output is h. What is h? H is basically a bar or b bar, the whole bar. Okay. Now let me give different values of it. Okay. So this is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So we need to calculate a bar or b bar, the whole bar. So we need to have a bar as well as b bar. So I am writing a bar and b bar in red. A 0 becomes 1, 0 becomes 1, 1 is becomes 0, 1 becomes 0. That is a bar. This is 0 1 0 1 0. Okay. So for 0 the bar is b bar is 1. So 1 0 0 1 1 0. Okay. Now first I will do one thing for your easiness. I will just erase this part. Okay. First what I will do is I am not directly going into the output part. So first what I will do is output 1, or I will take it as intermediate output, some intermediate output. So I am taking it as a bar or b bar. Okay. So what is 1 or 1? 1 or 1 is 1. 1 or 0? 1. 0 or 1? 1. 0 or 0? 0. But what is the actual output? Actual output is x. What is x? X is a bar or b bar, the whole bar. Here you are getting a bar or b bar in this column. So you have to take the complement of that. 1 becomes 0, 1 becomes 0, 1 becomes 0, and 0 becomes 1. Okay. Now here what we can write? Here we can write in two forms. X is equal to AB, right? Okay. That means if it is, what is the value of A and B? If A and B is equal to 1, then only output is 5. That means we can write X is equal to A, B. Therefore what we can say? We can say is that bubbled NOR gate is equivalent to which gate? This AND gate. Bubbled OR gate is equivalent to AND gate. If you are drawing a simplified figure of this bubbled NOR, you can draw like this. So you will get A bubbled, B. Okay. So what is the output? It is equal to A bar or B bar, the whole bar. Okay. What is that? That is basically equal to AB. Okay. That means here what we are getting is equal to A bar or B bar, the whole bar. What is it? What is A bar or B bar? That is 1. Okay. A bar or B bar, the whole bar is 1. When A bar or B bar whole bar is equal to 1, that is only when A and B is equal to 1. Therefore we can write S is equal to A and B. Therefore you can make that bubbled NOR gate is equivalent to an AND gate. Okay. So I think you have got the concept of bubbled OR gate and bubbled NOR gate. Next one is bubbled AND gate. Coming into bubbled AND gate. Okay. So if I am drawing the figure of bubbled AND gate, A is complemented, you will get A bar. B is complemented, you will get B bar. That both are given to the gate. And what is the output? S is equal to A bar dot B bar. Now if I am drawing the truth table of this one, how would it be? You will get inputs, then output. Output is what? X is equal to A bar dot B bar. So inputs are A and B. So you have 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Again you have bar and bar. So I am writing the bar forms in red. A bar is 1 0 1 1 0 1 0. So 1 0 1 and 0. Now I am going to write the output. Okay. See, what is A bar or B bar? 1.1. 1.1 is 1. 1.0 is 0. 0.1 is 0. 0.0 is 0. Therefore, here what we can write? Here you will get output 1 or 1 second. So I will give you the other formula for it. That is that we can write it as A or B the whole bar. You can write it as A or B the whole bar. That is the right one. H is equal to A or B the whole bar. Okay. That means here what happens in the first case? I will write input output. Okay. A B. Here I will write A or B. Then I will write A or B the whole bar. Then it will be clear, more clear. So get 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. What is A or B? 0 0 or 1 1 1 or 0 1 1 or 1 this one. Bar of that we will get 0. Bar is 1. Here we will get 0 0 0. Okay. So then we can see that these two columns are exactly the same. Therefore, we can write H is equal to A bar dot B bar. That is same as A or B the whole bar. Okay. So what is A or B the whole bar? That is basically which gate? That is basically NOR gate. So this A, B, you will get H is equal to A or B the whole bar. So bubbled AND gate is basically NOR gate. Bubbled AND gate is equivalent to NOR gate. Okay. Now if you are drawing a simplified figure of bubbled AND gate, you can draw like this. Bubbled AND, right? So if I am drawing the bubbled AND gate, A, this bubbled and fed in, B, that is bubbled and fed in. What is output? H is equal to A bar dot B bar. That is same as A or B bar. Therefore, what we can say, NOR gate is equivalent to bubbled AND gate. So till now what we have studied, we have studied about bubbled OR gate. Bubbled OR gate is equivalent to NAND gate. Then bubbled NOR gate. Bubbled NOR gate is equivalent to AND gate. Again, bubbled AND gate is equivalent to NOR gate. Now the last one is bubbled NAND gate. Bubbled NAND gate. Okay. So what is bubbled NAND gate? So A is given here, B is complemented and given to an AND gate. Okay. So you will get A bar and B bar. So here what is H? H is equal to A bar dot B bar. This A bar dot bubbled NAND. Okay. This A bar dot B bar the whole bar. This A bar dot B bar the whole bar. You will get NAND. Okay. Now coming into the truth table of that. So get input, output. Okay. So what are the inputs? A, B. So now we will write A bar and B bar separately. Then or we can write output directly. So we will get 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So what is output basically? Output is basically A bar dot B bar the whole bar. Output is A bar dot B bar the whole bar. Okay. So output is basically A bar dot B bar the whole bar. Okay. So I will write the bar of A and bar of B in red. Okay. This 0 this becomes 1 1 0 0. This 1 0 1 0. Okay, that is I am writing bar of A and bar of B in red. Now sum into x is equal to a bar dot b bar the whole bar. So it is 1 dot 1. 1 dot 1 is 1, 1 the whole bar is 0. 1 dot 0, 1 dot 0 is 0, 0 the whole bar is 1. 0 dot 1 is 0, whole bar is 1. 0 dot 0 is 0, the whole bar is 1. Okay. Now, if I am writing in another form, a or b, if I am writing a or b, what do we get? 0 or 0, 0. 0 or 1, 1. 1 or 0, 1. 1 or 1, this one. So here we can see that these two columns are exactly the same. Therefore, we can write a bar dot b bar the whole bar, that is equal to a or b. That means we can show that that is basically equivalent to an OR gate. So a, b, let's use a or b. So that is basically an OR gate. Therefore, bubbled NAND gate is equivalent to an OR gate. Bubbled NAND gate is equivalent to an OR gate. So if you are representing this in a simplified form, you will get a, b, this bubbled NAND. 1 second. This bubbled NAND, right? And get a, b, this bubbled, and x is equal to a bar dot b bar the whole bar, that is equal to a or b. Okay. So I have explained about the 4 types of bubbled gates. So first one is I have explained about bubbled OR. Okay. Bubbled OR means what? A bar or b bar. So what is a bar or b bar? That also we have proved as a b bar. So bubbled OR gate is equivalent to NAND gate. Bubbled OR is equivalent to NAND gate. Then what is bubbled NOR? Bubbled NOR is equivalent to AND. Bubbled NOR is equivalent to AND gate. Then bubbled AND gate. Bubbled AND gate is equivalent to NOR gate. Then comes bubbled NAND gate. Bubbled NAND gate is equivalent to OR gate. Okay, so with that I am stopping with this lecture. Okay, and in the next lecture we will be dealing with this one, time operation. That is pulsed operation of logic gate. That will deal in the next lecture. Okay, and after that we will deal with how to develop a logic circuit based on this gates. Okay, given the truth table. Thank you. Meet you in the next lecture.